Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. I am a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria. If this is your first time of stopping by, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. You guys are the real G's. So in this video, I just want to talk about like this beautiful customer who got items like wholesale items from me. So I don't know how to put it. I don't know where to start. I don't know the proper line to start. But then, so the items you see here, these items you see behind me are some of the items she ordered. I have some in the sack because I weighed the items. You know, when you're shipping items internationally, you have to weigh the items to know the weight. So I've weighed them and then I left them in the bag. I did not bring them out and arrange them. I just wanted to weigh them and know the price so that I'll let her know so we can start processing the shipping process. And so this beautiful customer, I met this beautiful customer on this channel. um so she messaged me and she sent me she's commented on this one of my videos, and I noticed the comment, and then she also sent me an email. She sent me a message, and she also took my WhatsApp number and sent me a message there. So I replied her, and immediately she told me that like she wants to get items. She gets these items in wholesale quantity from another vendor, but then she wants to make me like her supplier too. Like she wants me to be her supplier, and I was so happy. I was so happy to be an international supplier. So we started talking, and then we started talking, yes. And then she asked about my classes, and I told her the price and everything. She called me, she wanted to send the money, and then she sent the money using real exchange. But then, as at then, I because all the banks in Maiduguri, when I go there, they tell me they don't do real, they don't accept real exchange anymore. And so that's when they started the real. When I got the money through real exchange, I think I told her to just retrieve the money back because I cannot even process it and get the money. And then she asked me like, is there another option? I have a dollar account, but then I don't use the dollar account because the money I got from the dollar account, the first time I got money and the second time, it always delay. Like I don't know why they delay it, and so I just give them the send wave, and then I go and retrieve the money. Then I take it and send it. I take it and deposit it to the dollar account. That's what I mostly do. So uh so when she asked me for another way, and I gave her another option, which is the Sendwave. I use Sendwave, yes, a lot. Sendwave and Western Union. So I give her Sendwave details, and she sent it immediately. I received the money for the classes, and then the next day I changed the money, and then we started our classes. No, we didn't start the class immediately. She ordered for some items. She asked me like she wants to try some of my items, and that was the week I shipped an item to US. So she now said she wanted to order for more. So I was like, boy, you haven't seen the items that I'm sending to you, and you're getting more items. So I was like, okay, okay, okay. Then I think I even had like almost all what she ordered. Like just asked me for my catalog, and I said no. She checked my catalog and she sent me the items from the catalog. That's what she wants to get. And then she asked me for more, and I was doing a sales, yes. I was doing my birthday sales that time. It was during October, and she she took the opportunity and got other items from the sale, like all the items I was advertising during the sales, and then she got more than, I counted everything in that bag. I think 58 different types of Tararunta and Humras, then with 6 collectors. So the bag was so heavy. I took the items to DHL. We weighed the items, and I told her the price. She sent the money, and I sent the items to her. She received it, and that time I think there was a public holiday going on. Yes, Thanksgiving, and she got her items a little bit late, just 2 days late. I think 2 days or one day late. that she got her items and she loved every bit of it. She she was so happy. Like the reviews. And these are just a few of the reviews that I got after sending that beautiful package. I had tears dropping when she sent some of the reviews. Like I was so happy. This is a genuine like a genuine review, like from her heart about the products, and I that's one of the things that made me so happy. And after then, she made some videos for me. No, I asked her to like make some videos because as a small business owners we want to repost now, like we just need picture, okay, with yeah, Bakhoor by Aisha, Traruta by Aisha, Traru by Aisha is in USA, and she sent me a video, like a video. I'm going to post the video with her consent, and in that video she was saying how amazing the items are, and she wants to get more items, like she wants to get them in wholesale. So I was happy, like I was so happy she wants to get the items in wholesale. After that, she asked me for the wholesale price, and I told her the wholesale price. So I told her the wholesale price for the items, and she selected some. So after selecting some with some Tarunta and Humras and other items with collectors, because she told me she loved the collectors, and I even added some new perfumes that I was trying, and she ordered for it in wholesale too. So these are the perfumes here. These are the perfumes behind me, and I've not finished labeling them because I don't know why I'm wasting time. I've got the printer to label them. I've labeled the humras, and these are the humras. This is the Onicha humra. This humra is big size of one of the humra she ordered. She wants it in 800 ml. She ordered this one. This one is the Onicha humra, but it's not very like it's not very smoky. It has amber and smoky notes. So then this is the Sandalia Humra, made with pure sandal oil and sandalwood and some other amazing ingredients my students can relate. So this is the Sandalia Humra. You can see how infused, and you can see some of the oils sitting at the bottom. So this is how amazing this Humra is. This is my favorite of all Humra. I love it. It's so feminine, it's so feminine, it's so amazing, it's so strong. Then the mask, the pink, body milk, the duffer, and the leather nude. So the mask humra is a very strong, exotic scented humra. This is very powdery and very strong. If you are not a fan of strong humra, I would suggest this is not the right humra for you. This is strong. You can see how amazing this is. You can see the oils resting. Like amazing, amazing. The oils. This is a very oily humra. It is very nice and strong too. Then this is the pink body milk humra. This is the new humra that I was trying out. I tried two new humra this year. The pink, no, last year and this year. The pink body milk and the Saiki Shiata Gumi humra, which is a new one too. Then this is the body milk. This is for the body, and this is something ladies will love. It is very nice and very smooth, and it makes the skin smooth and everything. It has oriental notes, and this is the dark Dufor Humra. This is for our grandparents, our mothers, OGs of Humras. If you are a fan of traditional scent, Meduguri, unique traditional scent, like if you know the Meduguri scent, then this is it. This is it. It's very strong. I will not suggest you wear this outside if you don't want people to look at you or call you your name or follow you and ask for your number and your address. This is very strong. This is super strong. Then this is another best. This is very good for the weather. This is late de nude. It has powdery and oriental notes together. This is nice. It's good for the body. Late de nude. My French people know the meaning of late de nude. Let me tell you, if you don't know, which is like night milk. Yes, night milk. It's used in the night, and It's not supposed to be used in the night though. But night milk. When I was taught this one, where I was told it's late day nude, and I named it late day nude because I even love the name. But it's very nice, very intoxicating, and very seductive. So this is Gub Gub. Then this is the dry intimate dorot. This is used for the body if you want to do body duhan, or for smoking the body. This is the dry one. Then we have the wet one, which is this. You can use this for your room and you can use it for the body too. So this is like a multi-purpose Bakhoor, multi-purpose water. So I've not labeled them, but inshallah I'm going to do so, and I will ship that out. Inshallah today I'll label them. Then this is our sandalwood chips, Bakhoor sandal chips. This is how it looks like, and you can see this is my favorite. When you use this on your clothes, you don't need to do the kabasa twice or three times. Just once is okay, and you're good to go. Your clothes will smell so amazing and give you that unique Maiduguri scent you're looking for. Then the other one we have here is the Abdul Haya. This is exclusive mix. This is how it looks like. This is a combination of different types of wood. My students can relate. This is so amazing, very strong too, and highly recommended when you want to do kabasa or smoke your clothes or your body. This stays for a very long time in the room. Very strong. It sticks to the room for a very long time. Then I know you all know this Blackwood, my fav. She ordered for this too because of the reviews that you guys kept sending, and she loved it, and she ordered for it. So this is the oud, which is the al oud, my bestseller. People love this so much. Like, this is one try that I make twice a month. People love it so much. They love it. It's very strong and very long lasting. It's for oud lovers. This is sandal asal, which is sandal original, made using sandalwood, number one. And you can see how beautiful this is. This is nice, very, and smells like royalty. So these are the items she bought. Not all, we have the collectors. I'm too lazy to stand up and get them, but then when I'm packing them, I'm going to definitely explain them for you all when I'm doing a proper pack and order with me, because this is a very huge order that I'm supposed to do a pack and order. And I hope you guys will place an order. Don't forget, just send a DM to the number on the screen, and please, serious buyers only. Serious buyers only. So after making that beautiful video, I went ahead and made car diffusers, inspired perfume, a body spray, designer body spray, Khumra, sandal spray, that's kabasa spray, and a few other items that I will be um selling at the White Friday trade fair in Maiduguri. So here is my diffuser. I've measured out the ingredients for this diffuser. You all know diffuser is now the new, how will I call it? What will I call it? Sorry, the new oil money. Everywhere, it's everywhere now. I am very happy at this point that we are at a stage where people love fragrance, people love scents, not like before. A lot of people don't even they don't even care about different types of fragrance, home fragrance, body fragrance, and clothes fragrance. Now we all just love fragrance. You see, when you go to a house, you can hardly see like a house that don't have one or two fragrance. Like, it's either they're using the gel fresheners, or they're using room diffusers, or they're using terrarium water. So after making the diffusers, I called my nieces and nephews to help me and cover them. I just wanted to give them a little work because they love watching me while I make terrarium water and everything fragrance. They love it so much.
They stand for minutes, and they just watch what I do. So now what I do is I just call them to help me package some of the items, or just help me close the jars, just a little job, and they love it so much. So that's what they help me do. Here I was done making the diffusers, and I asked them to arrange them beautifully in my bed cage shelf was, yeah. So yeah, I was making the inspired perfume, the designer perfume. I used a very nice oil perfume. The oil perfume is very concentrated because we were mixing it. Remember guys, we were making the designer body perfumes. So this is, and I use a a perfume blend. Like I blended different types of perfumes to get my own unique scent. You can use one type of perfume, but I love signature scent, so I mixed three different types of perfumes. I used one Sorati, one Euro Valley, and one Banafa Oud perfume. Then I have my, look at my diffusers. They help me arrange everything. Like they're so amazing, my nephews and nieces. Alhamdulillah, I love them so much. So after that, I I asked them to just stay aside. I was refilling the bottles for the sandal spray. I was refilling the sandal spray bottles here, and this is how I refilled everything. You can see how we fill everything to the brim, just for you to get all the goodness and to get value for your money. This sandal spray is so amazing. A lot of people tell me that this is not just like sandal spray or kabasa spray. I should just call it body splash or body spray. But then the main purpose of this spray is for kabasa, to help you get that unique scent you're looking for. Like if you love the way your your Maiduguri auntie or mommy scents, you love this. Like, so that's why I made this kabasa spray, like to help you. You know, when they want to do the kabasa, what I watch my mom do is she uses humra. She adds humra to her clothes, and she uses oil perfume, and then she will do the kabasa with her Froiche Triron water, or her sandal original Triron water, or her Halu Triron water, or her Hawi Triron water. And then, so I made a combination of those oil perfumes and the Humra itself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share,
See you
comment,
in my
and
next
see you
video,
in my
or
next one.
see you in the
Bye.
continuation.